Om Pranam. I'm Dr. Vimal Saxena and welcome you all in my channel Yogic Wellness with Vimal, wherein we are trying to use the principles of Ashtanga Yoga, Yam Niyam Asana Pranayam Pratyahar Dharana Dhyan Samadhi for the physical wellness, for the mental wellness, for the overall health of our body. And in this series today we are going to do one asana which is very easy to perform, but very much beneficial for one of the strongest part of your body, that is your spine. People nowadays, even at the age of 12, 15, 16, 20, or at the early age also, they are complaining they have got the back pain issues. Maybe because they are doing a lot of work by sitting. So for those guys, this video is must to watch and try to perform this asana. You will definitely feel relaxed. So this asana today which we are going to do, that's called as Markatasana, the monkey spine twist pose. Yes, Markatasana. The Markatasana which is going to be beneficial for flexibility of your spine, for correcting the core of your body, helping you with your digestive system, helping you with your sciatica nerve, helping you with the spondylosis nerve. If you have got all these issues, this is one asana which you can do. Markatasana is also helping you to relax your lower back part, which is like must in order to gain the flexibility in your body. Talked about the benefits. As like other videos, it's very important to know about the contraindications. Who should not do this asana? So of course pregnant women should not do this asana. Anyone who has got any kind of surgery, stomach surgery, hernia, ulcer kind of diseases should not do this. Anyone who has got acute back pain should avoid this. If you have acute back pain, you should not do this. Like we discussed in the previous videos, let's think about it. Let's go on the path of preventive maintenance, not the breakdown maintenance. So let's keep doing this. When we do not have any disease, these all things will be very much beneficial. So understanding the benefits, the contraindications, now it's time to the process and the demonstration. So Markatasana, for the Markatasana you need to lie down on floor. Your hands should be at your shoulder level, your palm should be towards sky. Fold your legs, try to keep it as close to as your body. This is your starting position for Markatasana. Now deep breathe in, breathe out. Now you can twist the legs towards left and neck towards right. Hold it for some time. Again, depending on your own capacity, start you can do with 5 seconds. Slowly you can increase your holding capacity. Breathe in, come back, breathe out. Your legs are twisted to right side, neck towards left. Now you would see this, it is helping you to make your spine flexible. You are getting some pressure on your core as well, on your abdomen also, which is going to help you for your digestive issues. Another major issue which people are facing nowadays, constipation. So this asana definitely can help you to be away from such things. Breathe in, back. This was one way of doing. There's another way. So just make some gap in your legs. Let's try to twist again. Breathe in, breathe out, twisting towards left. Now when you're twisting this, you will feel some pressure on your hamstring muscles. Hold as per your capacity. Make sure your right leg knee is touching the left leg toe. Breathe in, breathe out. Now left knee is touching the right toe, neck towards the left. Hold as per your capacity. Breathe in, relax. There is one more version to do it, wherein you can, this is a difficult one. If you are able to do these two versions easily, then you can go for third one. Again, hands same parallel to your shoulder, Breathe in, lift your leg, breathe out. Neck into the opposite direction. Breathe in, breathe out. With the left leg now, breathe in, breathe out. Whichever side your leg is, your neck should be in the opposite direction. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. After this, you can do some 5 or 10 seconds Shavasana. This is what the simple way of doing simple asana, Markatasana. And when do this Markatasana, remember the benefits, remember the contraindications, and after understanding there's only try to do this asana, perform this asana. It's very easy to do, very simple to do, but it will be very beneficial for your spinal issues, sciatica, cervical, all those issues, especially for your digestive system and constipation, as I said. So do this, as our motto is small step, baby steps towards a healthy and fit life. Remember, the key we have discussed in earlier videos, continuity is the key. Do it as per your capacity. Yatha Shakti Nirantaram. That's it from today's video. I'll come up with some more simple, easy ways to perform Yogasana which will be beneficial to you all. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. Om Pranam.